Hi. I'd like to talk to you today about diabetes, which a lot of people don't even know they have them. It's estimated half of the people that know they have diabetes, only half of them know it. So I wanted to share my brother got diabetes. So I'll share something with you about it. And yes, there's a lot of drugs out there you can take for it. My position on that is you can take pharmaceuticals to help you deal with your diabetes, but you're better off to deal with it naturally if you can. We're talking about type 2. Type 2 without having to take insulin naturally is a lot cheaper, more effective if you can get to it. So let me start out and say you need to have something that's neither a fruit nor a vegetable. This is a blood pressure cuff. And you want to do that because you want to monitor your blood pressure. Blood pressure problems can give you strokes, can give you heart attacks. It's known as a silent killer. Should do it, okay? Happily, my blood pressure is right around 120/80, which is very good for my weight. I wanted to show you, this is a blood sugar test kit. You have a tester, you have the little pricker, and you have all your little supplies to give you the readings. Okay, so that's the mechanics. You don't really need much more than that every day. You're probably looking at around $70 at a supermarket or a pharmacy. This is prunes. It's not so much the prunes. One of the things they tell you to do is eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. Cut down the carbohydrates. Okay, that's all good information. But how you do it, this little jar I went and found, and I put the fruit right near where I eat. The reason for that is that it's if it's easier to reach for this than for a stick of candy, you're going to choose to use, and here's mangoes. You can choose anything, dried potatoes, dried bananas, whatever. What's left of a ginger root? Ginger root is very good for helping to moderate your blood sugar. Milk thistle, vitamin D3. Okay, this is 400 units. You could have up to 2,000 to 3,000. Here is vitamin C. Linus Pauling was a proponent of vitamin C. He won 2 Nobel Prizes. He would take 9,000 milligrams a day, 3,000. When you take a regular vitamin supplement, it's only 100. Flaxseed oil. Here's something, bee pollen. Vitamin E, extra besides the multivitamin. Here's some friends. These are Acidophilus and Bifidum. 1 billion organisms. Yogurt, things like that. Alpha-lipoic acid, and here's B12 with B6. That's a good combination. Okay, so it looks like a lot, but after your initial expense for that, this is probably maybe $2 a day, but your skin tone will be better. You have fewer infections from the vitamin C, little earaches or stuff like that. I'll put the list in the description as well. Of course, you can look up vitamins and diabetes on Google. But the thing you want to find out first is, do you have an issue? And the blood sugar and the blood pressure, those are very useful. Okay, I think that's it. $2 a day, that's $360 a year. Okay, if you get diabetes, you could have a leg amputated for low blood circulation. You could have strokes, you could have heart attacks, you could lose your eyesight. Let me ask you, how much is that worth to you? Okay? Thank you.